Hello, welcome to Tech to Learn, where you learn coding and more. Today, in this video, we are going to know about C++, literals and constants. Before starting, let's roll the intro. Literals. Literals are nothing but a data which is used for representing fixed values. They can be used directly in the code. For example, numbers like 1, 10, 20, and floating points like 2.5, 2.35, 2.65, and character like C. These examples can be directly used in the code. One of the most important point about literals is we cannot assign different values to these literals. Basically, literals are of five types. First one is integer literals, floating point literals, characters, escape sequences, and string literals. These are the five type of literals we use in C++. These are the few examples for different type of literals. In C++, we create variables whose value cannot be changed. For that, we use constant keyword to create the constants. In this example, here we have used the keyword const to declare a constant named lightspeed. If we try to change the value of lightspeed, we will get an error because lightspeed is defined as constant. A constant can also be created using hash defined preprocessor directive. We will learn about these preprocessors in the upcoming videos.